What's up, y'all, and welcome back, and let's get into this hot look. Okay, so you already know that we are about to start off with the ball cap. I applied the lace glue below her hairline, allowed it to dry before cutting, and then after that I'm going to apply a makeup that is closer to her skin tone. In pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store, and now it's like we planned it. Junior watching, I'll be on my And after applying the makeup, I'm now going to put on her wig, and then I'm going to cut out the ear pieces. I can't really see, where did I miss? Junior watching, I'll be on my 4, 5 sums. And now I'm lightly brushing on the same makeup that I put on her ball cap. And then after that, I'm going to clean her skin off with 91% alcohol. And then I applied 4 layers of lace glue, allowing each layer to dry completely. Excuse my lips, I got status, I got status, you want steady, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, I won with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I won with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is down to, God's time. And after the 4th layer has dried, I'm going to lay the lace down into the glue and then apply elastic band onto her lace, and then I'm going to start styling. What? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God, boy, find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think. Alright, and now I'm about to get into cutting the lace off and pulling out my baby hairs. Make sure you are not cutting in a straight line. Not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I want that impact that we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself.
you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have this place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have this place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the.
Alright, and I went ahead and pressed her hair out, and now I'm just going back in and doing a little bit more plucking, and then I'm going to get into doing her baby hairs.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have this place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. When you have this place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Can you please be done? Can you just be done? Can you be done? I want you to give it to me, yeah. Can you please be done? Can you just be done? I want you to give it to me, yeah.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego.
Now we're about to get into cutting her blunt cut bob. And if you guys want a more detailed video on cutting bobs, let me know down in the comments. But we really just got straight to the point with it. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all my subscribers, all the views, all of that. I'm almost at 1K, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo.